Hello, children. Good morning. All of you take out your social study readers and we will begin with lesson number 13, our national symbols, and we will begin with our revision work. Hmm? First and foremost, all of you will read this lesson once again because it's very interesting lesson to know about our nation and its symbols. So first you say India is a vast country. There is unity in diversity. The people of India speaks various languages, eats different food, wears different types of clothes, and have faith in different religions. Yes, in spite of such diversity, we are all Indians and are proud of our country. India is a secular country. Yes. So you will read this lesson once again. Yes. Now, the Constitution of India provides equal status to all our countrymen, despite the differences in religions, languages, foods, and dresses. All Indians are equal. So you will read this lesson and you'll learn the basic points. Yes. Now, see, India, here you'll remember this, all this. This is our emblem. We have our national flag, we have our national anthem, national emblem, national animal, national bird, national flower, and currency. So, all these you see in the picture, these are all our national emblem. This is our national emblem, you should know, which is the national animal, flower, bird, and currency. These are all our national symbols. Hmm? Now we turn to next page and you'll remember all about this. Here it is our national flag. Here you have to write down short note. We have written in our classwork notebook about the short note. Yes. So this is our revision work. Now you'll do the learning work. You would learn to draw the flag, the color and everything you should know. It's a rectangular shape and the length of the flag. All these are the basic point where you should know about your national flag. Yes. And the colors on the top. The top band is saffron in color, the bottom is green, the middle is white and has Ashoka Chakra in the center. Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes in it. Now you should know the wheel has been designed on the pattern of Dharam Chakra on the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath near Varanasi. All these basic points you must remember. Now the three colors have special meaning. The colors also you should know. The saffron color is a symbol of courage and sacrifice. The white color stands for purity and truth. The green color stands for prosperity. The wheel is the symbol of progress. You will learn all the basic points from this. Yes? Now you will come to national emblem and you'll and learn all this. It is the symbol of national unity. It is now see, you will learn the basic point from this. Now we come to the national anthem. Now you learn all this. It is the symbol of national unity. All the basic point which I've taken, you will learn from here. Now we come to the next page, number 97, and national song. All this you will learn that Vande Mataram is our national song. It was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore at the 12th session of the Indian National Congress in 1896. All these points, the basic point, you will learn it and you'll remember. Now, this is our national anthem. Repeat it and keep learning. See that you have not forgotten because we sing this in the morning when we used to have our assembly. So, once again, repeat and keep revising and keep learning. This is our national song. This also we used to sing Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malaja, Sitalam, Sashya Samalam, Mataram. All this you will revise. Keep learning this and you will revise the national anthem and the national song. Yes. Now we turn to the next page, the national emblem. From this also you will learn the basic point. All this basic point you will learn because in this some answers are also marked. Yes, national flower you know, national bird you know, national animal. All these basic points you will learn from this. The national fruit and national tree you should know. Mango is our national fruit and banyan tree is our national tree. All these are symbols of national pride and unity. Okay. And after this, learn you will learn all this national emblem, freedom. This you have to learn. All this you have to remember. What is the meaning of magnificence, dwindle, typif- typify, a respective example. So yes, okay. So basic you will learn. Emblem, freedom, hoist, era, prosperity, inscribe. What I have this thing underlined, all that you will learn. Now you will learn this also. A country is symbolized by its national symbol. All this you have to learn it. Now this you will be writing in your, this is the revision work, and you'll be writing in your rough notebook. Yes, choose the correct option to answer the following question correctly. National flag has Ashoka Chakra. Put a tick on Ashoka Chakra. Who composed our national song? Pumpkin Chandra Chatterjee. Put a tick on this. Which of the following feature is shown in the given picture? National emblem. Which of the following pair is wrong? National fruit, apple. Now, this we have already written in our classwork notebook. Here you have to learn it up. You have to revise it well and prepare yourself anytime for your test. Now, this also you will be writing in your rough notebook. Yes, and this fill in the blanks in with the help of the words given in the help box. No, oh, sorry. Now we'll be doing true and false. A national flag was hosted for the first time on 15th of August 1947. True. Ashoka Chakra has 27 spokes in its wrong. It has got 24. Ashoka Chakra has 27, it is written, but in fact it has got 24. So 27 is wrong. Our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. True. Rose is our national flower. False. What which is our national flower? Lotus. Now we come to fill in the blanks. All this you'll be writing in your rough notebook revision. National flag is rectangular in shape. The wheel of national emblem has got 24 spokes. The national song was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore. The national emblem has been taken from Ashoka pillar. Hmm? Now we'll do match the following. Match A with B. National song Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National anthem Rabindranath Tagore. Satyam Jayate Mukunda Upanishad. India is a secular country. So all this you'll be writing in your rough notebook. Yes. Hmm. And here you have to draw the national flag of India. Collect pictures of national symbols of India and paste them on a chart paper. Now find out the meaning of three colors of a national flag. Here you should know. That is why it is very necessary you know the meaning. Here I have made you underline here. The three colors have special meaning here on page number this thing. Okay, on page number 96. Okay, page number 96 you will get the answer. So learn it up properly. Okay, children. Now, here this is learn the national anthem, national song, and sing them in your classroom in a proper way. We sing, but again you will revise it and you will repeat it so that you don't forget. Look at the following word search and find out the name of the national flower, tree, bird, animal, and fruit. Do this on your own now. Okay, children. So, complete all your reading work very nicely and see that your learning work is complete and you learn it nicely and see that your learning work is done it uh, with thoroughly, okay, and your written work of question answer is complete. Okay, children, so be safe and have a good day and take care and bye for now.